Oh man, you done fucked it up. You can see the leak coming through right there. The slow leak. But man, this is a little hawk. If anybody know bleeding, will bleeding help? Cause that look like we don't need no pads. I don't know. And that's all the way up. Eee.